that is JDNFIA. I'm going to show you how to create these chords here. It's almost like setting a flow. All right, and I'm over exaggerating right now. All right, very simple concept. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm looking at it from a standpoint of G flat. G flats are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, back to 1. So what I'm doing is I'm playing a 4, 5, 6 chord progression. So that's going to be a B major 7. All right. On my left hand, I'm voicing at B. I'm going to call it E flat instead of D sharp. So we got B. All right, E flat or D sharp, G flat or F sharp, and then B flat or A sharp. All right, B major 7 chord. Then I'm taking that to a D flat major chord. All right, D flat, F, A flat, D flat. Then I'm going to a E flat minor 7 chord. E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, or D flat. So E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat. All right, and I'm just taking them chords and running them back and forth. Then with the right hand, all I'm doing is it's no certain form. It's just the fact that I'm using 2 different chords to create using 2 or 3 different chords to get that sound. All right, so the chords that I'm using, I'm alternating between about 3 different chords. First chord here is a G flat major chord. All right, G flat, B flat, and D flat, and I'm adding the A flat. All right, so I can play that chord over any one of these chords. I can play that one. Another chord I use, I use that. Sometimes I add the B flat, sometimes I don't. But I have F, A flat, D flat, just a D flat major chord. All right. Or if I play that, I'm playing the B flat minor 7 chord if I add the B flat. Either or, it's fine. That'll work over any one of these chords. All right. So it doesn't matter. So I'm playing D flat major, A flat, D flat, and F. So I'm playing G flat major. So far, I've showed you G flat major, D flat major, with the B flat makes it B flat minor. You can play a first inversion, B flat, D flat, and G flat. So it's alternating between 1 chord and a 5 chord. All right, pretty much 1 chord and 5 chord, and I'm adding that A flat on the 9. So, and you just play around with it. So 1 chord, 5 chord, G flat, A flat, and D flat. Going to that F, A flat, and D flat. And you'll want to end on different places. So this time I end D flat major chord, D flat, E flat, D flat, E flat, F, A flat. All right. And you'll end up playing some interesting chords. A lot of times I found chords like this. A flat. All right. Hope that kind of gives you an idea of stuff that you can do. All right. Hope that helped you. Have any questions? Please let me know. Thanks.